never, ever, ever, under any circumstances, use Comic Sans or Papyrus. Promise me that. Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Ask Me Anything with Geralin Thomas, and today's question comes from Lori. Lori says, help! I'm building my first website. What advice would you give to a first-time business owner? Okay, Lori, realize that your first website is just like getting a puppy. It's going to go through growth spurts. It's going to start off small and adorable, and it may become big and ferocious. At some point, it's going to misbehave, and occasionally there may be an accident or two that you're going to have to clean up after, okay? So just consider yourself warned. To do it in the least expensive way, you could approach something like Squarespace, Weebly, or Wix. WordPress is available. It's a little more expensive. It's a little more complicated, but it's certainly doable. That being said, you will still need to have a domain name and connect your email address to your domain name. Most beginner websites have 5 pages, and the 5 pages are typically a home page, an about page, a contact us, contact me page, some way for them to get in touch with you, a services page, meaning what you offer and possibly adding your pricing to that page, and some type of page you may opt to add your testimonials, to add a before and after gallery, or maybe even to add a blog. Things that can be updated, in other words, and easily updated on your end. Then you will need to write content for every single one of your pages and link whatever social media platforms you're using to your website. Know in advance that if you're going to add a shopping cart, so if you want to sell products to your clients or to the public, the shopping cart's going to be an additional fee. Same for creating a logo and collateral, meaning business cards, stationery, envelopes, things like that. Expect to pay someone extra money to do that, some type of designer. I do also have a free checklist for you to download. I'll link it in the notes below. You would use this checklist before working with a designer. It will help you kind of streamline the process. It's called Geralin's Grand Brand Plan. And here are 5 things I want you to keep in mind. Number 1 is please write in your authentic voice. Going back to my dog analogy, you want to embrace your inner poodle, inner German shepherd, inner hairless chihuahua, whatever breed you are. Just be true to yourself in your writing. Pick colors and fonts that work nicely together. And again, I have other videos explaining where to find information about those things. You also want to make sure that everything you're doing looks great on a desktop and your little handheld phone. Make sure that you never, ever, ever, under any circumstances, use Comic Sans or Papyrus. Promise me that. Pinky pledge. Simple is always better than complicated, especially when it comes to a logo. So if it doesn't look good in black and white, it's probably not a good logo. Another little tip is when you have your logo in a black and white version, put it on a vertical surface and then lay it down horizontally. You want to make sure, let's just say you're going to dream big, that if you saw your logo on the side of a building in the vertical position, it looks every bit as good as it does down on a postcard or something. Make sure your photos and images match the target market that you're trying to attract. And what I mean by that is if you are working with retirees, you want the photos used on your website to be retiree friendly. If you want to work with executives, you would want to use more corporate-y looking photos. Final tip is please hire a professional photographer to do your headshots. A professional headshot sends a message that you're really serious about your business, and it's going to look much better in print and on screen. And let's face it, a pro can bring out the best in you. They have a job, and that is to make you look your best. Remember to update your headshot at least every 5 years. And that's it. Good luck with your first website. If you like this video, please leave a comment, share, subscribe, let me know. Thanks for watching.